Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about one different projects. Okay. Hi, my name is Shraddha Singh and how are you all? How was your day? So this game is all about your snake game. Okay. So do you know what is snake game? Like if you don't know, so what I will do, I will run this. I will show you. You have to use your arrow keys. Okay. So you have to use your arrows, right? We have a left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So we have to use all these arrows, okay? So as you can see, this green color, this is your snake, and this blue color is your foot, okay? So what will happen if you will take a foot? If you will touch to any one of the edges, again your game will restart. Okay, so this is our game. We have to create this game. Okay, so for creating this game, first thing we want backdrop, which is our background. If you want this background, even you can take this, or if you want any other background. Okay, suppose you want this blue sky, you can take this one, or is if you want any other thing, so even you can add all background. So okay, miss whatever you want. Suppose you want this light color. So even you can take that. According to your choice, you can add any backdrop. Okay. After that, we will require sprite. So which sprite we want here? We want one snake. So here you will not get the snake. Okay. So you have to go to the costume. You have to create this snake like this. Okay, and if you want how you will create this snake and how you will create any sprite, you have to watch our previous videos. I will give you link in the description box, you can check that. Okay, if you will access our playlist, you will get lots of things. So this is our first, which is your head part. After that we have the second one, which is the body part, or as we can say tail. Okay, then we have our sprites. So this is our food. Instead of this, if you want the sprite in the oval shape or any other shape, even you can do. Take that, okay? Even if you want, you can change the color also like this. Miss, according to your choice, you can add all the things. Okay. So here, as you can see, we have only three things. One backdrop, two sprite. First sprite is your snake and second sprite is our food. Okay. So now we will see for the snake. What is the working of the snake? If you will see, here we have to use our arrows. See, even we have to add a sound. We have to use our arrows like a left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and if you will press that, according to that it will move in that particular direction, right? So how we will start that? Initially, see, when flag is clicked, we want to start one sound. So instead of this, like a dance slow moon, you can add any sound. So our next question, how you will add a sound? So you have to go to this sound tab, click on choose a sound, whatever sound you want. According to your choice, you can add this sound. Suppose we want to add this sound, you have to click on that. And once you will come to your code part, you will get this. Now, if you will see, you will get that sound. Okay. Means according to your choice, you can set the sound. So this is our first part. Like a when flag is clicked, we want one sound continuously. If you want anything continuously, that thing you have to write inside your forever. That is, if you want anything again and again continuously, so that is our forever block. Okay. After that, we will see when flag is clicked. So we want to broadcast reset. Reset means if this will, if your snake will touch to any one of the edge, again we have to restart our game. So that is our reset part. Okay. After that, we have to go to the variable. We will create all these variables. The first one is your high score, second one is your direction, third one is your length. Okay, so this all are the variable we have to create. So now what is our next part? When flag is clicked in the forever, if the length is greater than your high score, it will set high score to the length. Okay, this formula we have to apply. Suppose if I will give you this link in the description box, if you will play this game, if you have a high score, so that high score will visible here. Okay, after that, when we will press the right arrow, so we need to set the direction, means in the variable we have to set a right direction. Okay, and as you can see here, we broadcasted reset. So once you will receive this reset, we have to again go to this particular position for the snake. This is our middle position. Always, if you will see, when I'm starting this game, always you will get this position. So this is our 0 0 position for the snake. Means when you will receive the reset, again you have to go to that 0 and 0 position for the snake. And suppose if I will click on the flag, as you can see, when snake will take a food, so here as you can see, the length is in increasing mode, right? But when you will receive the reset, again we have to set our length to 0. Now we have to check if the direction is up, means this direction, means if we will press the up arrow, we have to change y. So you have to clearly see this. This is our coordinate system for the snake. This is your x, positive x. This one is our negative x. This one is our positive y, and this one is our negative y. So if you want to go to the upside, you have to change your positive y. So this is that. You have to change your positive y. If your direction is down, means this one, we have to change our negative y, means we have to add a negative value here. If your direction is right, means this one, we have to change our positive x. If you want to move to the left side, so we have to change our negative x, which is this. I hope you understood this part. Okay. After that, after changing our y, we have to create a clone of the snake because we want to increase the length of the snake. So how you will increase? You have to just duplicate your snake. Okay, it means we are creating the clone. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Miss, when you will receive the reset, so what you have to do for the snake. Okay, after that we will see our next part. What is this? So once we will press the left arrow, you have to go to the left direction. Now when flag is clicked, initially we want our head part. Okay, because here as you can see we have two costume, one is head, second one is tail. So when flag is clicked, initially we want head, and in the forever, if that will touch to your age, means if snake will touch to your age, we want to broadcast reset. And once you will receive the reset, again we have to start the game. Very easy, right? And then we have to think, when up arrow key is pressed, we have to move to the up direction. When down arrow key is pressed, so we have to move to the down direction. Okay. After that, when I start as a clone, okay, means if you want to increase your snake length, we have to switch the costume to the tail. Okay, because we don't want to increase the head, we want to just increase the tail part, right? Then we have to wait for some second, and then we will delete the clone. So this is your entire snake part. Again, I will explain you, like You have to add some sound, you have to broadcast reset, you have to check your score. And we have four arrows: left, right, up, down. And once you will receive the reset, so initially you have to go to the middle position. In the length, you have to set to 0. Then we have four directions. Okay. Then we have to just create a clone, and once you will start a clone, you have to switch your costume to the tail, not head part. Okay, so this is our entire snake part, and I hope you clearly understand this one. Okay, now we will see our food part. Okay, so for the food we have to do only this much, like we have to just take one random position. As you can see, this is not a fixed position, that is random, right? So when flag is clicked, we have to go to the random position. How you will decide this value in the x and in the y? Suppose we want in the x from this to this. So this is like a near about minus 200 to 200, and we want this and this for our y position. So that will only reside only this position. Okay. In the forever, if your foot will touch to your snake, we have to change the length to 0.1. Means here we want a increased foot. Okay. And again we have to go to the random position. So this part we have to do for our foot. Now again I will show you. See, so this is we have to do here. Okay, only two parts, snake and your foot. Okay, so please try this project, and once you will got your output, please share the link in the comment section. I will review that and I will give you the comment also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.